What's up, all about finger one here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a spine homemade. So, I'm sorry guys, I haven't uploaded for about 2 days. I've just been busy. I'll hopefully try and upload another video after this, maybe. But yeah, so for a spine, to make a spine you need 3 things. And depends on what tape you have. So you need tape, obviously scissors, but this tape you can just easily rip like that. So if you have other tape, you will need scissors. And one of these right angled pieces of metal. You can get these at like I just have hot glue in there. You can get these at Bunnings, or if you're not in Australia, just like your local hardware store. And they're really cheap. They're like, pretty sure it was like $6, and it was like that long, pretty long. I used it for a ledge, but then the hot glue came off. But that's not the point. So to make a homemade spine, you need this, and this is practically the whole thing. So, but you can't really use it when it's moving. So what you want to do, grab your tape to make it look nice and neat. You want to grab about the perfect amount to go over and under. Over and over, just to go off the edge, just like that. So now it looks nice and neat, and you go really neat across, and once you got that good, you rip that off. Like that. That looks nice and neat. Maybe I'll grab the scissors and just cut this little piece off. There we go. Just like that. Now once you have that, put another one on the other side. This is just going to make it look pretty cool. Just like, oh, it's a bit tangled. Just like this. Like that, and I'll cut off ends of it, just like that. That looks nice and neat. And then you want to grab one of these and put it right on top. So this is not going to make any difference, but if I'm going to put it on, because I'm not going to be doing 50/50s, but it's really good for both sides. It makes it really easy. But if you want to do 50/50s, I will take it off. I'm going to do that for today. But, so, you're at this stage. This is just to make it look like nice and neat. And you want to grab a piece of tape. You want to put it right on the edge like this. I'm not going to rip this bit off. So just like, so I have to move it just kind of like this. So the light's being as bad, but just like that. Put it down. Then grab another one, same size, and put it on the other side. Just like that. Oh, but yeah, and you put it on just like that. So that looks nice and neat. And they really have it, so it's really stable. Like the tape was moving because of that. And just grab your scissors and just the other side, just like this. Just push it down to make it all firm. This side. That. Just to make it all firm. Not going to go anywhere. Yeah, and there you have it. Looks nice and neat. I'll cut this bit off. And just get that bit off. Just like that. Take that bit off. Just get this bit off. There we have it. So there's your homemade spine. Oh, I forgot this part here. Oopsie. Yeah, and there we go. Get this piece safe off my fingers, and yeah, there you have it. There's your homemade spine. And it looks pretty cool. You got the metal part. And you can do all your tricks on here. It's all tray flip on it. Right. It's very lip slide. Took a 360, pop shove it to lip slide. But yeah, so you can do some of the tricks like board slide. I taught you the tail slide and just the lips Smith grind. Smiths are hard. Feeble. And yeah, so that's how you make a homemade spine, just with 2 things. So hope you guys enjoyed, and have a nice day.